Another year, another home tour. Hey there, Mary Rose here, your trusted real estate expert in Cavite. Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng house and lot na perfect for your growing family that you can expand in the future? Ito na ang chance mo na mag-invest dito sa Minami Residences. Exclusive, accessible at affordable. Curious ka na ba? Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates. Welcome to Minami Residences. Minami Residences is a 25-hectare, exclusive nature-inspired Asian community here in the heart of General Trias, Cavite. Minami Residences is located along Arnaldo Highway, Barangay Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. Bakit nga ba magandang mag-invest dito sa Minami Residences? I will give you 3 reasons why you should live here in Minami Residences. First is a good investment opportunity. Real estate in Cavite is becoming more valuable over time due to ongoing infrastructure project and urbanization. Ang presyo ng mga property dito sa General Trias ay patuloy na tumataas. Kaya magandang pagkakataon ito para mag-invest. As a long-term investment, it promises growth in value. Second is room for expansion. Magandang mag-invest sa Minami Residences dahil may space to expand. Ang mga lote, lalo na sa corner at end units, ay mas malaki. Kaya pwede magdagdag ng mini garden, extra room, or extension ng bahay. Perfect ito para sa mga lumalaki na pamilya, future plans na madadagdagan ang space. Halimbawa, ang Hana unit na may 80 square meters na lote ay may sapat na lugar para sa mga improvements. Third, strategic location. Ang Minami Residences ay strategically located sa General Trias, Cavite. Malapit sa Calax at Lancaster New City. Madali ang access sa mga pangunahing establishments tulad ng SM General Trias, at malapit din ito papunta ng Mall of Asia, Metro Manila, at airport in less than 1 hour. This location offers convenience for daily needs and future growth potential, making it ideal for families or professionals.
A home that grows with you. Welcome to the Hana Model Unit dito sa Minami Residences. Ready na ba kayong makita kung bakit perfect ang bahay na ito para sa pamilya nyo? Tara na! Unang-una, ang Hana Model ay isang 2-story quadruplex home na may modern at eleganteng design. Tignan nyo naman yung exterior niya. Simple pero classy. Napaka-inviting, di ba? Napansin nyo rin ba ang large windows? Bukod sa stylish, nagbibigay ito ng natural light sa loob ng bahay kaya tipid sa kuryente. Sa unahan, makikita nyo ang 2-car garage. May sapat na space para sa family car. O kaya extrang parking space for visitors. Si Hana Model ay mayroong extra space sa gilid at harap ng bahay. Pwede itong gawing mini garden o outdoor dining area. Perfect para sa plantito at plantita lifestyle. Ito pa ang highlight, ang Minami Residences ay exclusive subdivision, secured and peaceful kaya perfect for your growing family. Tara, pasok tayo. Silipin natin yung interior features ng napakagandang bahay na to. Makikita dito ang isang lanay area. Ang ganda ng transition mula dining papunta dito dahil sa sliding door. Napaka-smooth at modern ng design. At dagdag na rin sa ventilation at natural light. Perfect ito kung gusto nyo ng chill na outdoor vibe habang nagre-relax. Dito naman sa ating dining area, ang laki ng space. Kaya kahit maglagay kayo ng 6-seater table, may extra room pa for decorations or shelves. Pansin nyo rin yung liwanag kasi ang daming natural light na pumapasok. Napaka-spacious din ng living area. Perfect ito sa family bonding o movie nights. Mapapansin nyo rin maluwag ang layout kaya madali nyong maa-arrange ang furniture. Oh, ang maganda dito, marami ng sockets and switches sa bawat sulok. Hindi mo na kailangan magdagdag pa, perfect for your gadgets and appliances. Dito naman tayo sa toilet and bath. Meron itong dalawa, isa sa baba para convenient gamitin ng guest at isa naman sa taas, perfect for privacy. Malinis ang design at madali itong i-maintain. May kasama na rin itong lavatory, shower, at nakatiles na rin ang flooring. Dito naman tayo sa kitchen. Ang kitchen area ay maluwag. Perfect for your cooking needs. May built-in counter at may space pa for your modular cabinet para mo organize ang iyong mga gamit. Pero the good news is, pwede mo siyang i-renovate ayon sa preferred design at style mo. Gusto mo ba ng kitchen o minimalist vibes? Ikaw ang bahala. Dito naman sa likod, makikita ang service area. Pwedeng laundry area o gawing additional storage space. Ang ganda dito kasi open at well ventilated, kaya hindi ka maiinitan habang naglalaba o nag-aayos ng gamit. Ngayon naman ay samahan niyo ako sa second floor. Unahin natin ang second bedroom. It's ideal for kids or teenagers. Spacious pa rin at may natural light from the windows, kaya ang gaan ang pakiramdam dito. Lahat ng bedrooms ay may provision for air conditioning unit. Ready na rin ang mga switches at socket sa bawat kwarto, kaya hassle-free ang pagpapakabit ng ilaw o appliances. Isa sa nakakatuwa dito, kayo ang mag-decide kung anong klaseng tiles ang gusto nyo, whether classy, modern, or colorful. It's all your choice. This toilet and bath area is separated, giving you more convenience, especially if may kasama kayong pamilya o guest. It includes shower and lavatory. The space is fully tiled, making it easy to clean and maintain. Ito naman sa part na to ang third bedroom. Ang master bedroom ng Hana unit ay talagang maluwag at komportable. The room is big enough to fit a king-size bed with plenty of room to move around. Imagine having your own personal space to unwind after a long day. Pagkatapos nyo makita ang actual unit ng Hana model, let's move on to the sample dress-up unit. Dito makikita nyo yung pagbabago na talaga namang mas nagpaganda sa ating Hana model. First, let's take a look at the exterior. Makikita nyo na ang harap ng bahay ay mas maluwag na. And you now have the option to add a fence and gate for added security and privacy. Pwede nyo rin itong palagyan ng mini balcony. As we move to the garage, you'll see that it has been cemented, making it more organized and spacious. And of course, to complete the look, naglagay na rin ang mini garden dito sa harap. Finding a quality home shouldn't feel impossible, pero sa sobrang daming choices, nagiging source ng stress ang dapat sana'y masayang proseso. Kung minsan, ang pipiliin mo ay hindi talaga yung gusto mo. A home full of compromises isn't a home, it's a sacrifice. Kaya naman, Hana unit is designed to meet your needs. Affordable, expandable, and located in a prime area. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-settle for less. This isn't just a home. It's peace of mind. Finally, you can say, this is it. Kung kanina ipinakita ko sa inyo ang Hana Model Unit, the actual turnover, and yung sample dress up, ngayon naman ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit ang Minami Residences ang best-selling project sa Cavite. Let's go! Unang-una, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Calax sa tour na ito. Ang Calax or Cavite to Laguna Expressway ay isang mabilis na kalsada na magdadala sa iyo mula sa Cavite papunta sa Laguna at vice versa. With this, mas mabilis ang travel time kaya hindi na kailangan mag-alala sa traffic. This means easier access to major cities like Makati, Taguig and Alabang, fast and hassle-free travel. Dito naman tayo sa SM General Trias. As you can see, ang SM General Trias ay malapit lang sa Minami Residences. Lahat ng needs mo nandito. From shopping, dining, to entertainment. Lahat nandyan. Jin, you don't have to travel far for a movie, shopping, or eating out with your family. Very convenient, right? At syempre, ang River Park. It is just few minutes away from Minami Residences and this area offers so many exciting things. Unang-una, it's near major establishments like SM General Trias, hospitals, schools, and even public transport routes. So kung gusto mo mag-shopping o kaya may emergency na kailangan mong puntahan, andito lang sa malapit. Now, here's another advantage. Alam nyo ba na mga prime locations like River Park and Minami Residences, mabilis mag-appreciate ang value? The more developments around, the higher the property value. Kaya nga kung gusto mong mag-invest, ngayon ang perfect time to do it.
Thank you for joining me today on this exclusive tour of the Hana Unit at Minami Residences. I hope you were able to see just how perfect this home is for your family's future. Remember, finding your dream home doesn't have to be overwhelming. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you have any question, please comment it down below, and I will be happy to assist you. Again, this is Mary Rose Santos, your accredited real estate person. Mga ka-home buyers, paalam! See you on my next vlog!